welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to do Gamora. So I'm gonna actually start with the chest and stuff first, just because I do need to block out my eyebrows and I don't feel like doing it. But I mean, we are, but we'll go ahead and start with the chest and stuff first. But I hope you guys enjoy this. This one should be fairly easy, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'll start with just green face paint. I'm just using a water activated green paint from Bennye. This might be a little bit lighter than she is, but we'll make it work. I'm really excited for the movie, guys. This might be out already after the movie's out, but oh well. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see how to transform into Gamora, keep watching. everybody, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it for you guys. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm super excited for everything else I have in store. Comment down below what you guys thought, what you guys want to see next. The only thing that I'm missing that I do recommend, actually two things, is the proper wig. This is the one I had. So I just figured this will work, this will do. And the contacts, because she does not have blue eyes. So I feel like if I had the contacts it'd be better, but I'm also terrible at putting contacts in my eyes, so I gotta get better at that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. If you have not seen my Iron Man and my Spider-Man tutorials, I will link those down below. And then I will also link my Instagram. Go check out my Instagram, follow me. I will be posting the looks on this, and then Iron Man and Spider-Man are already up. And then that way you can look forward to whatever's next. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye.